Hello, PMP and Agile aspirants. Let me give you a short description about issue log. When we do a project, whether it is a predictive or adaptive model, we have these two things keep popping up. One is risk, and other one is the issue. Today we're going to see something on the issue. First, let's understand what is risk a little better. Whatever model of the project, there is always a risk. A risk is a future event which may happen, which may trigger something, a fund not available, scope creep can happen, stakeholders unhappy, deliverable getting delayed. Well, these are the future event may happen. We'll check the probability and we see the impact. What if it happens? When you say what if it happens, we have to write some mitigation. If it happens, what action to be taken? And what is the other side of that? Other side of it is issue, which has happened right now. So a risk can also turn into an issue. We thought the customer is unhappy, customer deliverable is delayed. Yeah, delayed. Now what to do? So issue is always a negative event or negative thing which happened right now. You have to take action immediately. Maybe something you already know will happen. It's happened now. You take action, or it's something new. You have to quickly take action on it. Now, issue log is a document where you write down what is the issue, when it happened, what is the timeline to resolve it, or who will take action of it, what is the impact of it. We'll write detail about it, and should be quicker action on that, and some follow up should be on that. There are some templates available in the PMI Institute or in websites. You can reach a ShriLearning also. We do have some templates for that. What is it all about in real life? Let's take some example of you traveling with your family for a tour. When we go for a family and a tour, what we do is we'll anticipate some risk. Maybe heavy rain, the spot where we are going, or a train or bus or a flight getting missed out, or something is happening. So we anticipate for that back of the mind, you know what to do. So you have a risk in your mind, you know the impact of the risk, and you have some solution for it. Well and good. What if that really happens? It's an issue, happened. Now you have to take action what you thought. That's one side. Other side is sometime whatever you never thought will happen. For example, maybe you hit your leg somewhere on the footpath and you get bleeding on your legs, which should not happen. Imagine it happen. Well, it's an issue right now. What to do? Take a first aid, take a medicine, maybe take a rest. Because of that, you miss a train. Something right now is happening. So, how quick you understand this and take an action will channelize your project success or failure. So somebody can question me, is this only in the predictive nature? Yes, in predictive nature, we have to be a little careful because it's a long-term project, a lot of plans involved. If it happens, it's going to change all your plans, rework, scrap cost, all will go high. In adaptive nature, also we have it. That is why we have something called a daily stand-ups in agile projects. Then they have risk-adjusted backlogs, or we call something about refinement sessions. We keep regularly checking what kind of risk can happen, what kind of issues can pop up. We'll take care of it. So, point here to convey here is a issue log is something recording a event or a situation just happened in the project, and we have to take a quick action on that, and it will have the number, it will have the detail, it will have a person who will take action, timeline, follow up on that, and this really helps us to freeze the problem as early as possible. Issue log is very important for a project manager to keep an eye and to have a regular discussion with your team on how these issues are getting addressed. More the issues, it means the management has some trouble, because if we have more issues, it means risk anticipation capability is low. If you properly anticipated the risk and you handled it well, chances or issues will be lesser. So point here is issue logs and risk registers are very common in project management. However, keeping an eye is a very important role for the project manager. Good wishes, PMP and Agile aspirants.